Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. Welcome to my final year project presentation. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Nurla Bila binti Abu Muiz, a final year student in Diploma Geospatial Technology, and I will be presenting my final year project called as Flightscan Building Inspection Advanced by UAV Technology. I am supervised by Surveyor Geospatialist Nur Satwan bin Ahmad Putih. And this is the outline that I will present after this. In an era of rapid urbanization and infrastructure development, ensuring the safety and structural integrity of building is fundamental. Conventional strategies of building inspection often involve time-consuming manual assessment that can be costly and pose dangers to worker safety. Instead, building inspection can be done by using today's technology, which is by the help of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. By integrating UAVs into the inspection process, it can enhance efficiency, accuracy, and safety, whereas decreasing time and resource requirements. This presentation sets the stage for an in-depth exploration of how UAV technology can change building inspection practices, eventually contributing to safer and more sustainable urban environments. Move on to the next slide. There is three objectives that include in this project. The first one is to produce a 3D model of sport complex building using automated UAV photogrammetry in Pix4D Mapper. The next one is to define the accuracy assessment between actual with Pix4D Mapper and Google Earth Pro measurement. The last one is to inspect the external structure of sport complex building using UAV image and the 3D model of sport complex building. The next slide is about problem statement. Firstly, building inspection hire more labor, which has several disadvantages. It increases the overall cost due to wages, training, and safety equipment. Secondly, because of the difficulties with accessibility, navigation, and the intricacy of the building themselves, inspecting a building can be a time-consuming task, particularly for complex building. Lastly, building inspection contain inherent dangers. It is imperative to ensure safety, especially in high-rise buildings or in accessible places. In this project, there were four materials used, which is Drone Mavic 2 Pro, DCP board, measuring tape, GNSS receiver, and software used in this project is SDC SetLab, DJI Pilot, Adobe Photoshop, and Pix4D Mapper. The sport complex has been chosen as the study area for several reasons that make it ideal for drone usage, especially within UITM Sri Iskandar. For the data collection with GNSS receiver, we need to locate ground control point within the study area. GCP-35 was found at Sport Complex. Next, collect coordinates using the base and rover. After that, transfer the gathered data to a computer for processing and analysis in the lab. Lastly, visualize ground control points on Google Earth Pro. This is the result after you visualize the GCP. Before flying a drone, we need to do a drone flight path planning using DJI Pilot application by connecting the drone to the DJI Pilot app. After that, import GCP coordinates, set flight parameters, and save the mission. This process to ensure comprehensive coverage and high data accuracy for precise geospatial analysis. After capturing the drone image, transfer them to Adobe Photoshop for editing. This process is to enhance the image to correct blurriness and overexposure, ensuring clarity and proper brightness and contrast. After all of the image has been enhanced, come with me to process the 3D model in Pix4D Mapper. Be sure to follow all the steps.